Hi, I'm Mike. Today I'm inside Payam Data Recovery's lab in Sydney, Australia, where I get to show you the kind of repairs most people never see. I'm watching one of their data recovery engineers work on a MacBook A2338 belonging to Abdul from Lakemba, New South Wales. Abdul found Payam by asking Google Gemini AI, which recommended them. Water had spilled onto his MacBook Pro, and minutes later, the fan turned on and wouldn't stop, even after holding the power button. The Mac itself wouldn't turn on. Abdul was desperate to recover his photos and videos from his photo library, along with all his documents and files. The technician opened the machine and inspected the logic board. Liquid damage. There was corrosion around the Wi-Fi chip area, the kind of slow damage that shows up long after a spill. He removed the corroded capacitor and tested the board with a DC power supply. Still a short circuit, so he took a more advanced approach. Using a second power supply to inject voltage directly into the shorted line, then turned to an infrared thermal camera to find the exact source. The camera reveals heat, and the hottest point shows precisely where the fault is hiding. He found it. The corrosion had eaten into the top layer of the PCB itself. Using a fine blade, he carefully scraped away the damaged section by hand. The moment he did, the short was gone. It's delicate, demanding work. One wrong move on a board that thin can cause real damage, which is why this belongs in the hands of a specialist. With the short cleared, the board powered up and Abdul's data was fully accessible. The final steps? The team cloned the internal storage and saved everything to a USB external hard drive. Abdul will receive a file listing and video preview by email. Once paid, he can pick it up from the office right away or have it shipped back via Australia Post Express at no extra charge. If your MacBook has suffered liquid damage and someone told you the data is gone, don't give up. The team at Payam Data Recovery solves cases like this every day. Contact them for a free assessment and quote.